So you've decided you'd like to renovate your bathroom, but how? Who's going to do it and when? If you've ever attempted a bathroom renovation before, you'll know it's not easy. They can be a real nightmare. So where to start? Like anything, it's best to start with an expert. Let's have a chat to Regan from Regency Plumbing.
Good morning, Kerry. How are you?
Good.
Hey, it's nice to chat and fingers crossed I can help. I guess it's no surprise, though, that some people do fret a bit with their bathroom renovations, as there are just so many considerations, isn't there?
Oh, so many. I guess for many it just seems too hard.
Which is a pity, but honestly, if people just get a professional bathroom renovation team like Regency Plumbing, someone they can trust, it's so easy.
Because you're a one-stop shop, aren't you?
Yeah, correct. We do the design, the quote, planning, we arrange the materials, the contractors, everything to successfully complete the bathroom renovations.
And of course, a successful bathroom renovation comes down to having the best people on the job. Regency Plumbing has got to be the pick of the crop for bathroom renovations.
Absolutely. The bathroom renovation experts.
There you heard it. Give the team at Regency Plumbing a call. If you book now, you'll be showered with a selection of beautiful free gifts to the value of $350. T's and C's apply, of course. The number 0800 Plumber. That's 0800 758 623. Or see everything they can do at regencyplumbing.co.nz for more.